Iwagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas. Ito ang mensahe ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa mga Pilipinong atleta na sasabak sa 2024 Paris Olympics sa July 26. Ayon sa Pangulo, bukod sa pag-asa at pangarap, bitbit rin ng mga ito ang bandila ng bansa at ang suporta at paniniwala ng mamamayan na mapagtatagumpayan nila ang laban.
As you step onto the global stage, hold our flag high and show the world what a Filipino is made of. We believe in you, we are proud of you, and we will be with you every step of this remarkable journey.
Sinabi ni PBBM na dapating magsilbing inspirasyon sa mga ito ang nakamit ng Filipino athletes na nagdala ng karangalan sa bansa noong nakaraang 2020 Tokyo Olympics.
Their successes were not personal victories only for themselves. They were a triumph for every single Filipino, especially young Filipinos who dared to dream of reaching such great heights, who dared to believe that they could achieve what could have been considered as impossible.
Sa huli, tiniyak ng Pangulo na patuloy ang pagsisikap ng pamahalaan upang mapangalagaan at malinang pananghusto ang mga manlalarong Pilipino upang maihanda sila sa hinaharap.
We continue to rehabilitate our major sports facilities such as the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex, the Field Sports Complex, to give our youth a fitting stage to improve and to showcase their talents. And presently, we are finishing the National Academy of Sports System in Tarlac and the Philippine Sports Training Center in Bataan to train, to hone, and to develop present and aspiring athletes for future competitions.
Nakatakdang umalis ang buong Philippine team ngayong araw patungong France para sa isang buwan pang training bago ang aktwal na kompetisyon. Bernard Dadis, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinangalagahan.